so you need a deep bowl. You can't make it in a flat plate like this. You need a bowl, either plastic bowl or breaking plate bowl like this. So this is my 1.5 cup. In my boiler, I have 7 cups of cold water. So I'm going to boil it. I'm going to plug it, and after it's boiled, then I will show you how to mix it. But first of all, I'm going to use cold water to mix this akamu. So let me show you how many water I use in mixing it. So I have 1 cup of water. So I'm going to be pouring it gradually. I'm going to be pouring in the cold. This one is cold water, it's not warm. You mix with cold water first. So I'm going to be adding it gradually to see how much water I will put in. This 1 cup already. So I finished the 1 cup. I'm going to add ½ cup. So this ½ cup. I'm not going to pour everything at once. I have to be gentle with pouring the water. I have to pour it gently. So it's still not enough. So it's still a little bit thick. So I'm going to add 30 ml. So it is enough. You can see 1.5 cup of plain powdered akamu. I use 1.5 cup of cold water and 30 ml. 1.5 cup and 30 ml. That is the one I use in mixing this 1.5 cup of powder akamu. So I'm waiting for the water to boil. I just measure the water, cold water in my boiler. I measure 7 cups. So I'm going to see if it's going to be enough or if it's going to be more than enough. I will show you when the water is boiled. So the water is boiled now. I'm going to be pouring in the water gently. So this is the boiled water. I'm pouring it gently. You have to pour it gently, very, very gently, until you get the thickness. So you leave it about 30 seconds before you turn. So it's about 30 seconds. So you can see it's very thick and it is done, properly done. So this is how you make your powder akamu. You can use sugar. If for example I'm going to use sugar, I will pour in the sugar before I will mix with sugar before I pour in my boiled water. But because I'm not going to use sugar, so I didn't add sugar. So what I'm going to use is this condensed milk. It's very yummy. So this is how I make my powder akamu. So the remaining water, I just pour them out to see how many quantity I use, the water I use. So it was almost 5 cups of water. Guys, I use this cup to measure 7 cups in my boiler. So I used almost 5 cups of this to make 1.5 cup of powder akamu. So guys, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye.